Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Python in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. Python is a programming language that lets you work more quickly and integrate your systems more effectively. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Python in your preferred search engine. Go to the python.org/download link. Click on the download button and wait for the download to complete. Now open the File Explorer and go to Downloads folder. Right-click on the downloaded file and click Extract here and wait to finish. Now open the terminal and go to Downloads folder using cd command. Go to Python folder using the cd command. Type the command /configure and press enter. Wait for the configure process to complete. Type the command make and press enter. Wait for the make process to complete. Now type the installation command, sudo make install, and press enter. Provide your password and press enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Python is successfully installed. To check installation is successful, type the command python 3 version and press enter. The installed version of Python will be displayed. To check Python is working, type the command python 3 and press enter. Enter the Python print code to execute. Python print code executed successfully.